In today's world, heart disease is one of the leading causes of death. A major risk factor for heart disease is high levels of LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, which is often referred to as bad cholesterol. While medication can be prescribed to help lower LDL cholesterol levels, making dietary changes is a natural and effective way to improve heart health. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 foods that can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels. These foods are not only delicious but also contain key nutrients and compounds that have been shown to have a positive impact on heart health. Whether you're looking to lower your cholesterol or simply want to maintain a healthy heart, incorporating these foods into your diet can make a big difference. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the top 5 foods for reducing LDL cholesterol levels. 1. Oats. Oats are a type of cereal grain that are rich in a type of fiber called soluble fiber. This fiber has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing LDL cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, which binds with cholesterol and helps eliminate it from the body. Studies have found that eating 1 to 2 servings of oatmeal or other oat-based foods per day can help lower LDL cholesterol levels by up to 5 to 10%. This may not sound like a lot, but even a small reduction in LDL cholesterol levels can have a significant impact on your heart health. Oats are also a good source of other nutrients that are important for heart health, such as magnesium, potassium, and folate. Plus, they are a low glycemic index food, meaning they are digested slowly and can help keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. So, whether you enjoy a warm bowl of oatmeal for breakfast or sprinkle some oat bran on your yogurt or smoothie, incorporating oats into your diet is a simple and effective way to improve your heart health and lower your LDL cholesterol levels. 2. Nuts. Nuts are a great source of heart-healthy nutrients that can help lower LDL cholesterol levels. They are rich in unsaturated fats, which are healthy fats that can help improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. In addition to healthy fats, nuts are also high in fiber and plant sterols. Fiber helps to reduce the absorption of cholesterol in the bloodstream, while plant sterols are compounds that can help block the absorption of cholesterol in the digestive tract. Eating a handful of nuts per day, such as almonds, walnuts, or pistachios, can be a simple and effective way to improve your heart health. Studies have found that incorporating nuts into your diet can lower LDL cholesterol levels by up to 5 to 10%. It's important to note that while nuts are a healthy addition to any diet, they are also high in calories. So, it's important to consume them in moderation as part of an overall balanced diet. But by incorporating a variety of nuts into your diet, you can reap the benefits of their heart-healthy nutrients and lower your LDL cholesterol levels naturally. 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are a type of polyunsaturated fat that have been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing LDL cholesterol levels. Omega-3 fatty acids are also important for brain health, reducing inflammation, and lowering the risk of heart disease. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna, are some of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids. The American Heart Association recommends eating at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to improve heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. In addition to their omega-3 fatty acid content, fatty fish are also a good source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. By incorporating fatty fish into your diet on a regular basis, you can improve your heart health and reap the benefits of their other important nutrients. It's important to note that while fatty fish are a healthy addition to any diet, some types of fish can be high in mercury. To reduce your exposure to mercury, it's recommended to choose fish that are lower in mercury, such as salmon, sardines, and trout, and limit your intake of larger fish, such as shark and swordfish. 4. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are an important part of a heart-healthy diet and can help lower LDL cholesterol levels in a number of ways. They are rich in soluble fiber, which can help reduce the absorption of cholesterol in the bloodstream, and are also high in antioxidants, which can help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol particles. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables is key to getting the full range of heart-healthy nutrients they offer. Some fruits and vegetables that are particularly beneficial for reducing LDL cholesterol levels include apples, oranges, berries, broccoli, and spinach. Apples are a great source of soluble fiber and antioxidants, while oranges and berries are high in vitamin C, which can help improve cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Broccoli and spinach are also rich in fiber and antioxidants, as well as other nutrients that are important for heart health, such as potassium and folate. Incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet can be easy and delicious. Try adding berries to your breakfast oatmeal, snacking on apple slices with almond butter, or adding spinach and broccoli to your dinner stir-fry. By making fruits and vegetables a central part of your diet, you can improve your heart health, lower your LDL cholesterol levels, and enjoy a wide range of other health benefits. 5. Soy products. Soy products are a great addition to a heart-healthy diet and can help lower LDL cholesterol levels in a number of ways. They are a rich source of protein, which can help lower LDL cholesterol levels by reducing the absorption of cholesterol in the digestive tract. Soy products are also high in isoflavones, which are plant compounds that have been shown to have a number of health benefits, including reducing LDL cholesterol levels. Isoflavones are similar in structure to estrogen and can bind to estrogen receptors in the body, helping to regulate cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Some soy products that are particularly high in isoflavones include tofu, soy milk, and edamame. Incorporating 1 to 2 servings of soy products into your diet per day can be an effective way to improve your heart health and reduce your risk of heart disease. It's worth noting that while soy products are generally considered safe and healthy, some people may have a sensitivity or allergy to soy. If you have concerns about consuming soy products, it's best to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. Overall, soy products can be a great addition to a balanced, heart-healthy diet and can help lower LDL cholesterol levels naturally. Try incorporating tofu into a stir-fry, adding soy milk to your smoothies, or snacking on edamame for a tasty and nutritious boost to your diet. And there you have it, the top 5 foods that can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels. Incorporating these foods into your diet can have a significant impact on your heart health and overall well-being. Remember, a healthy diet and lifestyle are key to preventing heart disease and improving your quality of life. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up some oats, nuts, fatty fish, fruits and vegetables, and soy products, and start reaping the benefits of these heart-healthy foods. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.